message codes, arguments, passing them, seeing what they are. What I want to do is start showing you how to start writing out your script as a story. It helps you, trust me. So what I did is, for this one video, I want to show you how to write this message code, but I first want to show you what it is. Message code. So what I want to do is, in the bottom of the corner, this becomes a little harder to see, this script that says, you know, it's a print statement, and the print statement doesn't keep up quite well. So what I want to do is write a script that allows me to see what's going on in the scene at all times, because I can set these stop messages. So right now in here, for example, I have a stop message that I write called, instead of the print statement, I use a thing called string to edit. Now I wrote a program called message code, and this is a static variable that gets passed between it. Right now it'll say hello world at first, and then whenever something happens, I can put in here, let's say right here, do I want to know if the player was passed or not? Yes. Do I want to know when the fireball was shot? Yes. But now I can do wacky things like debug my scene. So if I hit play, a player was found, good. Fireball was shot, good. What happens if I take this rigid body and put it in front of the enemy though? A player was found, a fireball was shot. So what happens is the enemy is sending out a raycast to the ball, and it's seeing the ball as an enemy also. So here's player, here's the ball. They're both the same, even though player has a different tag. So now I have to write some more script to tell Unity not to fear anything but the green square. So that's a different story altogether, and that becomes a later on lesson. But what I want to do is show you this message code. So what you need to do is make a new script called message code. And in it, you type this. Okay, so we got a function on GUI. I already showed you how to do that. And the string to edit, if you notice, string to edit is also here. You can freeze that screen. Here's string to edit. So back here on my trigger raycast, I got string to edit. Okay, so that's the words coming off of this. All right, and this actually gets attached to your camera. Now, here's the thing. You have to know the script that you're passing arguments from. So, in other words, string to edit period raycast period string to edit. So I need to know this is the script I'm actually working with and trying to debug. So in my message code window, that's what I'm going to type here, string to edit, because this is the one I'm trying to debug. And then back in my script that I'm actually working with, I need to put this at the top. Static variable, string to edit equals hello world. Now from now on, instead of the print statement, I would write something like this. Player was not found. The player was found. Okay, so I'll add that to it right there, just as a small change to show you what happens. Okay, and then I'll get the sphere out of here because it's screwing up my experiments, but yet showed me that there was an error. A player was found. You are, so you have to make that a little bit bigger in order to get that much text in there. A fireball was shot. Very cool. So I just wanted to show you that little bit of code. We're going to be using that inside the classroom a lot now, and including that. That way we can start writing out our code as stories. And as we go on, we can start including, okay, now we need a fireball. Okay, we also need some code to say, hey, you are hiding. Hey, you are out of range. Where are you? I can't see you behind this block. That type of deal. Okay, and then we'll start inserting more and more on top of that. And that's AI. So enjoy the message code script and have a good one.